Hi class, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This video is to show you guys how to complete the instructions for your Unit 2 project as well as how to turn it in. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to conejousd.instructor.com. And this is what it might look like when you guys log in. I'm going to choose period 2. And this is what my screen will look like if I'm a student. Let's say I'm having trouble locating this. I'm going to first go to tabs, locate modules. And here I can see all the assignments that we've had for Unit 2. At the very bottom, I can see the instructions for Unit 2. And I can look at these instructions on Canvas, or I can choose this little arrow, which will let me open it up using my Google account. In order to do this, I do need to be logged into Google, so make sure you're logged into Google. So the expectation for this assignment is to create a book snap on just one of the philosophers and their writing. So you're instructed to select a portion of their writing to annotate, write a historical analysis after you've annotated their writing, and then submit your work. And it's that simple. And reminder that this is 40% of your grade. So don't make sure that you do the assignment. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose one of these Enlightenment philosophers. And let's say I want to choose Mary Wollstonecraft because she was awesome. She wrote about the rights of women, and I am definitely interested in those. So this is what a book snap looks like, right? Here is her writing. Now I have to annotate it, and then I'll have to write my historical analysis. But actually, before I can start typing, I'm gonna have to make a copy because this is Miss Monte's copy. She only has us viewing. So we're gonna go to File at the top left corner. Then we're gonna hit make a copy of entire presentation in the file that we wanna add to, and I'm going to add it to world history. So now I have my copy and I'm free to make my book snap. But let's say that I'm actually a little confused and I don't know how to do this. And I want to get a good grade, so I want to make sure I'm doing it right. So if I go back to my instructions, I can see once I scroll down that Ms. Montes has linked a lot of resources for me to be successful. I have book snap instructions, so I'm going to be able to look at what a book snap is and how to make one. In this PowerPoint, she will walk me through how to do them. She'll talk about what a book snap is, give me an example, and show me how I can do my own. So this is essentially what we will be doing in our Wollstonecraft book snap. We'll be annotating and adding emojis and making sure we add a text box with our reactions to it. And then there's also the historical notes that we took for our class, day 3. So here's a review. I can review how to make a historical analysis, how to make a claim, how to cite evidence. So here we go. How to make a claim, how to cite evidence, and how to give reasoning. Awesome, now I have that resource. And I also have linked the project rubric. So Ms. Montes will be looking for all these things and I have them right in front of me just to remind me I can check them off the box. So here's a reminder of what I need for an A, what I need for a B, a C, or a D. So let's say I'm shooting for a B. And to get a B, I have to annotate with 2 emojis and 2 icons. I need to give a sentence, and I have to have a claim. So now I know what I need to pass this class. So I'm going to go back to my document here, and let's say I am going to highlight this portion here because that's what I need to do. I'm going to use 2 of the icons that I need to get a B. And here, if I use my toolbar, I can also add the emojis that I might want to use. So she talks about women's rights. I might control copy and control paste this onto here. And I also might want to add a happy face. All right. So, and then I'm going to work on my claim. And let's say I'm having trouble working on my claim. If I move my toolbar, these yellow sticky notes will help me in writing my claim. So hint, answer the question. Hint, now's your chance to prove your point. Hint, use something that you've highlighted and add it into your evidence. And let's say I'm still having trouble. I can use the sentence frames Ms. Montes has provided here on slide number 4 to help me write my analysis. And let's say I don't really want to use these. That's okay. These are completely optional, meant to help you guys in your writing. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to share my copy with Ms. Montes. So in order to share my copy, I'm going to have to make sure that she can view it. So viewer, I'm going to grab that link. And then I'm going to go back to my project. And I'm going to see how to turn in my work. Okay, so to turn in my work, I have to click on the link for my class, look for the pink circle, click add my book snap, and then add my name. Oh, and look, Ms. Montes has also given us instructions on how to do that as well. So I'm on period 2. I'm going to click period 2. And it said, look for the pink button. I'm going to do that. I'm going to add my name. I'm going to add the name of my philosopher. And then I'm going to add the link. And I'm just going to paste it there. And I'm going to wait for it to upload. And here I can see that it is already uploaded, and I know Ms. Montes can view it because I'm able to see it. For example, here on top, Ms. Montes can't view it because it says add account, right? So this is a good sign that you have not given me the right link. If you can view it like this, that means you have given me the right link. So that's all I need to do to turn in my assignment. You guys also have the option of going back to Canvas and going back to your module. And under your module, you also have the option of turning it in Unit 2 project. So I'm going to click on that assignment. It's right below instructions. And I have the same instructions up here. And that way I don't really have to use the document. I can go up here. Hey, look, here's my other assignment. Let's say I want to do it here, then I go to the pink button. I add my assignment. Let's say I want to add Miss Montes number 2. I add the name of my philosopher. And then I link my assignment. So this is the second way that I can link it. And that is how you turn it in and how you follow the instructions. Let me know if you guys have any questions.